1 minute to understand lithium battery recycling process. Discharged lithium batteries are fed via belt conveyor, fed into the shredder for coarse crushing. Then enters the primary crusher, crushed to approximately 1 centimeter, conveyed via pneumatic pipelines into fully enclosed rotary screen. The black mass recovery rate at this stage is approximately 60%. The remaining material enters the secondary crusher. Perform fine crushing. Then enters the secondary drum screen. The black mass recovery rate at this stage is around 90%. Then, the material enters the linear screen, upper layer to collect plastic diaphragm. The lower layer of material enters the magnetic separator to recover iron. The remaining material enters the grinding machine, then enters circular vibrating screen to collect the residual black mass. Finally, enters the airflow separator. Achieve copper and aluminum separation and recovery.